under the water. God, it's a beautiful day.
Nome, Alaska. For 9 long months, a frozen port on the edge of the Bering Sea. But come summer, the glacial ice melts, and treasure hunters from around the globe migrate to this remote outpost.
Let's get this show on the road.
Because hidden in these frigid waters is a fortune in gold. For 2 million years, glaciers have been melting into the Bering Sea and depositing sediments rich with gold into the waters off Nome. To haul it in, miners must dredge, scouring the bottom of the Bering Sea in custom-built rigs.
No two of these dredges are the same.
After 9 months off the water, final preparations are underway.
The only dredge that I would 100% trust is the one that I built.
The season starts now.
Anything getting done? Oh, lots of gossip on the deck. Not too much else getting done.
At the Nome Harbor boat launch, 59-year-old Steve Pomrenke races to get his dredge, the 80-foot, 80-ton Christine Rose, into the water.
Boys, they want to see gold. I want to see gold. It's one step closer to seeing gold.
As the largest dredging operation in the fleet, the Christine Rose also has the largest overhead.
What's a good season or what's a bad season? We need 1,000 ounces. I need 1.5 million to survive all winter long. Let's get some gold made here. Pussyfooting around here. This boy's ready to go. That one comes out and goes in the other way.
Steve owns and operates the Christine Rose with his son, Sean.
Started helping my dad mining when I was 14, 15. I love my dad. Then sometimes I haven't. Sometimes there's just no satisfying that guy.
Once it's the water, man, the season's going to be good. I think we're going to kick everybody's butt.
We will be going 24/7. I think we're going to get a lot of gold this year.
Scary. He said there's no steering.
Just as the dredge is ready to launch, Sean discovers that the outboard thrusters are shot. Without them, the boat has no steering or propulsion.
You live by the weather up here. The weather dictates what you do. Are we going to be in port or are we going to be out making money? I haven't had a paycheck since last Halloween, last October 30th. Every day up here is pretty much 1% of your season. So if you lose one day, you lost 1% of your whole livelihood for that year.
Across the harbor, Alabama man Vernon Atkinson prepares for his maiden season as a dredge owner.
Gold owns its value. If I can get a little bit of that stuff, maybe I can survive the coming on tax. Over the winter, I put together a wild ranger. Now, let's turn the thing upside down for a minute. Goal for this first season is just to keep the boat afloat and make sure that none of my crew members kill themselves or somebody else. Go get your jack gear.
Vernon and his crew are rushing to get the Wild Ranger on the grounds while the weather is holding.
That thing's a beautiful piece of machinery right there. I mean, you have a bunch of men on it. Well, one sexy man, but I mean, it's a beautiful piece of machinery. damn sexy, by the way.
Just down the coast on Belmont Beach, known native Zeke Tenoff prepares to hit the water.
I have 4 years of experience running my boat in Clark. It's pretty dang great, for sure. Over the years, I've spent thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars on parts and pieces for my gold dredge.
Zeke sunk 30 grand into the 20-foot Clark, but he's in debt for a whole lot more.
My financial situation is just kind of weird. Last year, I was doing plumbing under houses, and I got an infection in my leg that almost killed me, and I racked up 180 grand of debt at a hospital, and, you know, I'd like to be able to pay off some of that. If I make 100 grand this year, I'll be happy. Absolutely.
But making bank won't be easy, so Zeke is taking on an extra hand.
I called up a friend and encouraged her to come up here. I've known her my whole life, and she's not used to doing this kind of work. She's used to going to art school. And gold dredging is dangerous. Things go wrong fast.
Zeke's new deckhand is greenhorn Emily Rydell.
I worry about you all the time.
Something to be worried about.
Yeah.
Emily stops by her father Steve's bus before heading to the Clark.
It's a way to stay alive, is, you know, keeping your wits about you when you're down there.
Yeah, that's the most important thing, actually, is that you don't panic.
The fact that you're a greenhorn, though, is my main concern. It's just that you just don't even know what to look out for.
As for Steve, he'll be working on the Wild Ranger, and today he's late.
Steve was a tender who looks after the boat, couldn't be located.
And his skipper's on the warpath.
Basically, I got a boat full of rookies, and this is our first time going out, so it's just really stressful. Everyone's got their head up their ass. It's not a good start.
Owner Vernon Atkinson has hired Scott to put the Wild Ranger on